just completed one of my DIY tasks here in Thailand, and I just completed fitting this kitchen door. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Shuts and opens perfectly until you look at this problem. So my task for today is to fit this door into this opening. Levels. It's pretty good there. And it's pretty good there. I decided to buy exactly the same door as the previous one I fitted because of the quality and also how easy it was to actually install it. So I went to the same shop and I bought the same quality hinges made by Yale, which were 299 baht, and I bought the same handles, which also cost 299 baht, and I treated myself to a set of new chisels. Okay, so now the door is in place. I can see it's a little bit tight along the sides, so I'm probably going to have to plane a bit off the side. So the first thing to do now is put on the hinges. Right, got my hinges on, all the three hinges. I've laid a piece of wood that I can stand my door on, which is level, and then I'm going to hold the door up to the frame and fix it. So let's see how we go. So at this point, I realised that I needed to plane a bit off the side of the door off, but I hadn't noticed the big problem yet. I don't know if any of you door fitters will know what the big problem is. So I can see that hinges are all okay. I know that I've got to lift the door up a little bit. It's just a little bit too low, so I did raise it up a little bit, but I still hadn't noticed the problem. So the next step was to plane a little bit off the side. Right, moment of truth. Is it going to shut? Oh, look at that. It's done. Wow. I'm going to have to stop now because we're in the sun. It's very, very hot. So I will carry on later this evening. And my next step is to fit these handles into here. So it looks like they haven't drilled this hole in the right place, because this is hitting the back already. I think the hole should have been here somewhere. So it looks like I've got to dig a bit out here to get it in. So at this stage I had a decision to make. Do I carry on fitting the handle, or do I take the door back to the shop where I bought it? Well, the shop is an hour and 45 minutes away. I'd already put the hinges on, I'd already planed the door, so I decided to fit the handle and hope that it would hide the hole that is in the wrong place. We got a gap there. We got a gap there. So I have a choice of either taking all the pieces, going back to the shop and exchanging it, or buy a bit of plastic to put over here and cover the hole. The other door was perfect. Exactly the same fittings, exactly the same handles, and this one was perfect. What would you do? You take it back, or would you get a bit of plastic to cover it? Let's put the catch in. Let's see how it sits. Pretty good. So I'm happy with that. The only thing I'm not happy with is this little gap here. Yeah. It's pretty good. This tiny little gap, hardly noticeable, but I know it's there. So now I'm looking for some help. Who can give me some ideas on how I can fix this problem? From a distance, you can hardly notice it. But obviously it needs to be fixed. So, can you give me some tips and ideas? How can I solve this problem?